How to level up fast on Poppo Live. So if you want to level up fast on Poppo Live, then first you need to open up your Poppo Live application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have a stable internet connection, now once you open your Poppo Live, you just need to simply go with your profile, which will be on the bottom right. Tap on your profile and here it will take you to your profile. Under your profile, you need to go with the level option. You can scroll down and here you will have a level option. Tap on level and here you will have your levels. So you can go with your wealth level or you can go with your live stream level, which is on the right side, upper right side. So first go with the wealth level, and under that, if you want to level up your wealth on your Poppo Live, then you just need to simply have the coins. So for level 1 you need 0 coins, for level 2 you need 3000 coins, for level 3 you need 6000 coins, and many more to go. You will have 200 levels under your wealth level, and if you collect your coins, then you will be able to level up fast on your Poppo Live. You can go with the live stream level, and here also you will need points to upgrade. So that's how you can level up fast on Poppo Live, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.